Yes, definitely.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, Karthikeyan Ramanathan, Senior Vice President of Zebu Shares and Wealth Management Private Limited. I would like to happily convey my best Republic Day wishes to you all. Our hearty welcome to our most dynamic and effective result-oriented artificial intelligence developers team, Algo Bulls. Hearty welcome to Mr. Jimit and Mr. Akil for the pilot faculty and co-faculties of this today's webinar. Hearty welcome to all our Zibu mates and the most important fragrance of this today's webinar, our beloved clients of Zibu. We welcome you all for this wonderful knowledge sharing session. Let's welcome Mr. Jimit to present here. Jimit, the floor is yours.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for introducing us to your audience and to the entire team of Zebu. Welcome, everyone. First of all, happy Republic Day. It's a auspicious day for every one of us, and so we are very happy to launch today with Zebu. So, uh, myself, I'm one of the co-founder of the company. I will introduce today to our platform and the integration that we have done with Zebu. Uh, so first of all, I will take you to the short brief on what AlgoBulls as a company does, and post that we can have a Akhil will take to the entire demonstration of the product, and post that we can have a Q&A round. If someone has a question, we can interact that. So starting with AlgoBulls is an algo trading platform uh, where we as a company, our motto is to provide a seamless solution to the end retail investors in India. So if we see in Indian market currently, uh, most of them people trade manually in capital market with all the segments, which includes equity, futures and options, currency and commodity. There are certain players in market who use such kind of automated systems. With the help of the technology, now we are able to deliver such kind of solution to the end retail users also. Uh, so starting with what we do. So we collectively empower a capital market collaboratively with the strategist. So our motto is to deliver the sophisticated institution like trading strategies either by copy trading, social trading, or a medium of a strategies which are of a professional portfolio manager, or by using an automated trading strategies developed by like a professional hedge fund kind of managers. So this trading strategies will give you returns based on the high yield assets which are being traded like in options, futures, currency, and commodity. Those type of strategies which were once upon a time which were only available to the wealthier investors. So if you invest in some large portfolio management company in PMS or an asset management company, where the ticket size starts from 50 lakhs onwards, uh, suppose that they manage those kind of assets or a portfolio through a fully automated system. Now this system we are able to give you on directly on your through a mobile application also on one click, and you can manage your portfolio based on the strategies. So there is a difference between an investment and trading. So what is an investment? If I come up with investments are generally takes on stocks mostly, and it is for a long term. It starts from minimum from 6 months to 10 years. We see a horizon for. Mostly it's on a long side. People just buy some stocks and keep it, and then they see the upside for it. That's where we talk about investment. Trading is we do it on for all the segments for equity, futures and options, commodity and currency. Trading we do it for both for short side and a long side. So the positions can be for as low as from 1 second to it can go for months, for maximum for 3 months because most of the contracts are for 3 months. We do it on both for a long side and a short side. So currently, if you see the problem statement in the market, what are the challenges that people face today? First is a monitoring the stock market for 24/7 for all the 1000 scripts which are available in the market. For human, it's near to impossible to track every stocks every day, or maybe for every instruments which are being traded more precisely. So secondly, there is a fear of losses. There is a huge learning curve where people often find difficult to invest their time for learning and uh, make sure that they make profitable trades. So most of the time people have a fear of making trades and they don't take trades and they lose money, or you can say they lose an opportunity of investing at the right time. Second is a financial knowledge. There is no ready to use stock market knowledge which is readily available, which you can consume it. There are various players in the market who talks about ready to invest in some stocks. But when we talk about futures, options, currency, commodity, which are the contracts which are very highly traded in Indian markets, you do not get so ready to use where you can come up with and where you can take the position. And if you know the entry, it's you should also know when to take an exit for it. There is a lack of automation. Retail investor trades manually. And lastly is scary analytics. Most of the time, people trust on the information which are not trustworthy, or maybe they see the trend which has took place in last 6 months, and on tentative of that they start investing it, or they rely on some people to whom they know and they give some information, or you can say tips. On basis of that, people start taking a positions in the market. So these are the problem statement. Solution what we are offering today is uh, ready to use algos. So there are many technical indicators, both uh, uh, which are automated, which we have automated it, and second is both based on the fundamentals also, which precisely we talk about risk management and fund management. So this is all we combine and make it one algo. So which anyone can use it on one click. So that's where you can authorize your computer and you can do trades which are emotionless. And that's why we say it's a fully automated system. So these are the three things which we come with. One is ready algos. You can authorize your computers and the computer will take with the full automation. So we offer two set of products in the market. One is we call as a marketplace where you can choose your own algo strategies. If you can see, we have more than 100 strategies on the marketplace currently, where all the strategies are available in the by default paper trading mode. When I say paper trading, it means it's a virtual environment where trades are taking place in the live market. So today is a market which is off. If you see tomorrow, you can see the trades which are coming on every single algo, both on a long side or a short side, with a running PNL of it. On one click, you can execute the trade in the market. Coming to second product is called a build product. So there are certain set of traders who are looking for an automation of their own strategies. So what are the ways to do it? So one is where we have so many indicators which are readily available. So one can select any indicators, they can come up with their own strategies and they can automate it, and the system will take care with the pushing the trades in your account. That's what we say as a build product. In the build, we have some products also where you can code it by yourself. Where some, if you know the coding, you can do it by yourself and you can use our engines. Third is develop. It means if you do not know the coding and the strategy is not readily fit to readily available in the ready softwares which we are providing, or maybe ready systems, you can say, then we can help you to develop that strategy. Our expert team can code it from the backend. We will test it, and then we can deliver those strategies to you on your account, AlgoBulls account, and then you can run it either for real trading, back testing, and paper trading. And the lastly is you can integrate our system via an API. We provide a developer API where you can integrate that API. You can code your strategies on your system, and that can be connected with our servers through an API. So these are the two broader set of services what we offer. So we call as uh, marketplace and build. In build, we have mostly three layers of services. That is called pro build, which I spoke about. That is uh, which we develop for you. Python build is where you can code it by yourself, and the classic build is something drag and drop system. So in Python build, there are two ways. Either you can code it on our system or you can take it via API. The entire resource is given on our GitHub. You can go to our website also and have the resources. You can check the document of the API, and that will take you to the GitHub site. How Who are the players in our ecosystem? If you talk about, so let's start with the bottom line, that is brokers that we have. So we have integrated with broking house like Zebu, which, and parallelly to that, we also have an exchanges like NSE, BSE, and MCX. Sub brokers, we have a panel where any sub broker can manage their multiple clients in with the multiple algos with the risk management and fund management. For the traders, yes, we have two set of products. One is marketplace and build product where someone can come and choose a product. Within choose, we if someone want, if you are a trader and you want to change your strategy, you can tweak it over that. For HNI, we have a premium set of strategies on the marketplace. For the retail investors and laymen, we have a choose product where we can anyone can come up and select any strategies which are available based on their investment size and risk size. And institutions, if you have your own strategies, you're looking for automation, we can help you to develop that strategy. That's once again on a bill side. For a tech savvy users and traders, we have a developer API and Python. So this is the entire uh, broking account, and you can start with execution. So whatever things we develop in form of strategies, whether you choose a strategy or we build it, you can connect with your Zebu account and you can start. These are the some screens of the website where you can see the marketplace. You can see the second step where you can see the dashboard. You can see the uh, portfolio page. If you click on execute button, it will take you on portfolio, and then it can take you can see and you can monitor your things from your dashboard also. You will get a detailed insight once we go on the demo side now. These are the screenshots for uh, how the system product look like. Suppose for every strategy, we give you a back testing report trade by trade with the summary of the reports. So key features of the entire system is three. Either you can do real trading, paper trading, and back testing. Other features is like you can tweak the strategies which are available on the platform with you can change the time, you can change the strategy parameters, you can change the instrument, you can change the RMS, you can change the position order management system, your exit positions also. So um, so coming now to Akhil. Akhil is our one of our key person, is a core team member from technology side, uh, who will help us to understand the entire product journey. How, as a user, you can come on the platform, how you can connect with the broking account, that is Zebu account, and how you can select the strategies, how you can backtest it, how you can paper trade it, how you can execute your portfolio for real trading, and how you can see your reports. So that's how it is. So one good news for every Zebu customer is like it's the first arrangement that we are doing it with Zebu is that it's a we have come up with an offer for a free trial, or you can say it's a free service which we are offering currently. It's a limited offer, so everyone can open an account and you can go to plans and wallet. There's a free plan which is available for Zebu customers. You can select that and you can start executing it from today. Over to you, Akhil.
Yeah.
Akhil, so can you help our viewers to understand about the product and the product journey?
Yes, please.
Yes, sure.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Um, and a happy Republic Day to everyone. I hope I'm audible, and if I'm not, please let me know in the chat box. So let's have a look at the website, the product that we have built. As soon as you create a free account with the AlgoBulls platform, there are a few steps that you have to complete before you can actually start trading. Okay. So what do you need to actually properly start with automated trading or start with strategies with our platform? The first thing obviously is you have to register for free for an AlgoBulls account, and then you log into the account. You will land on the marketplace. I'll just show you the demo where you land after you sign in. And once you sign in, then you'll have to set up your account before you start trading. Now, what comes under setting up your account? So the first is your Aadhaar and PAN, which you will have to upload from the settings page. I'll show it to you in the demo. Second is you'll have to set up the risk management. As of now, risk management is in beta, but still I'll tell you about the fields that we have in this, and you can set up those. Then you'll have to bind the Zebu broker, which through which you will be doing the trading. So we'll do the broker binding in settings page. Then you will choose a plan. As Jimit has rightly said, we do have a plan for all the Zebu clients. So I'll show you where that plan is, and you can also add money to your wallet. I'll show you that too. Then we need to go to the marketplace and choose a strategy. We'll add it to our portfolio, which is the real trading, and then we'll go forward from there. Okay. So these are the steps: the KYC, the risk management, binding your Zebu account, and then choosing the free Zebu plan that we have. And then we can choose a strategy and go ahead. Okay. So let's have a look at the demo here. I hope you're all able to see. This is the homepage, the index page of our website, wherein you will sign up first, give the necessary details, and once that is done, you will log in. Now, I've already logged in the next tab. So once you log in, you will land up here in the marketplace. Now, these cards that you see in front of you are the various strategies that we are uh, giving in the marketplace. The left-hand side nav bar that you see has many things like live reports, like paper trading, like your portfolio, which is real trading. You can manage all your strategies among these three things. Which three things? The real trading, the paper trading, and the back texting. You can manage them. In the settings, you'll have to set up your account, which I'll show it to you right now. And we'll also have a look at the plans in the wallet. Okay. So this is the marketplace. I will come back to this. Let me go to the settings page, because as soon as you log in for the first time, you'll have to first set up your account, right? So we'll go to settings, we'll go to general, and here you can give all the basic settings that are, all the basic fields that have been shown here. The most important of which are the Aadhaar card and the PAN card, which you'll have to upload. Once you upload this, it will be approved by the team. And once it has been approved, then you can start trading. But till the time that these are approved, you won't be able to start the trading. But once you upload this, you don't have to wait for the approval. You can go on and set the other things. So in risk management, we have two things. This is still in beta, but it will go live soon. This is max capital drawdown and desired profit. Let's say that you have let's say 1 lakh rupees into your Zeebo account, and you say that once it becomes 2 lakhs, please square off everything and stop the trading. So in desired profit, you can set it up as 2 lakhs. So this is the second field here, which is desired profit. And the max capital drawdown means that, again, let's say you have 1 lakh rupees into your account and you only want you want 90,000 to be safe. So the maximum loss that you want is 10,000. If that is how we are looking at it, then in max capital drawdown, you should give the amount as 90,000. So what we mean is, as soon as your Zeebo account goes down from 1 lakh to 90,000, everything will be stopped. So you can give 90,000 in max capital drawdown, and you can give, let's say, 2 lakhs or 1 lakh 50 into your desired profit. As of now, since these two fields are in beta, you can give 100 as the drawdown and 10,000 as the profit. You will still have to set it. So you'll still have to go and modify here. You'll have to still give both the values. But once this goes live, you'll be able to take advantage of these two fields. Okay. The third is the trade manager. This is empty for this account through which I've logged in. That is because this tab here is for sub brokers who can manage their multiple customers in one shot at this panel. That is the trade manager. But since this account that I've logged in is a individual's account, so this field is blank. This area is blank as of now. Okay. Now, as Jimit told you, that you will be able to create your own strategies also. So when you do that, and when you try to backtest or paper trade through those, you need an API token, and that token you can pick it up from here, which is developer options. So in settings, we have covered general settings, which has these four things over here. And the important point again is about binding a broker. So we have a Zeebo account here and we have binded it. What all do you need? I'll show it through the edit button here. You'll need the username of your Zeebo account, the password of your Zeebo account, and the API key, which is under settings in your Zeebo account. So let me show that to you. I have a Zeebo account here, which I have already logged in. Once you log in, from the right hand bar here, you'll have to go in settings, and in settings, this is the key that you see. This key you'll have to pick up, and this key you'll have to give it while binding the broker. So when I click on add and I'll choose Zeebo from here, and in the next step, which is the verification step, I'll get the fields that I have to fill, which is 1, 2, and 3. And in this, the third field, that is the API key, you'll have to pick up from your Zeebo settings. Once you do that, and the broker is binded, and your risk management is set, your Aadhaar and PAN is properly approved, we can go ahead and start trading through AlgoPulse. So this is all you'll need to set up. As I said, I'll have to come back to the marketplace. So here we are again. This is the marketplace. As of now, in my portfolio, in this account that I'm using, in real trading, I don't have any strategies. I have not added anything from the marketplace as of now. So I go to the marketplace. I look at the various cards that I have in front of me. These cards have many values and many, much of the analysis is directly shown to you as a part of the card. So the backtesting PNL, the drawdown, what is the sell value, buy value, the date, time, everything is shown here. You can directly click on the card and you can have a look at the details of that card. So the left hand side is still showing the card here along with the rest of the details. The right hand side has two tabs, which is strategy algorithm and the backtesting report. Strategy algorithm has the parameters that are being used by this strategy and the details, if any, which explain the strategy, what it is trying to do. These parameters can be tweaked or changed as you like, as Jimit has already mentioned. I'll show that from where to do that. Let me go to the backtesting first. In backtesting, you have four tabs. This is the summary tab, the returns that you've gotten, the trades which have been fired, and some insights, which is in beta phase, wherein you can have a look at the analysis that is done and take informed decisions. So these are some insights, but this is still in beta. We are trying to make it go live soon. Let's say I want to add this card into my portfolio. I would like to start real trading, or let's say back testing or paper trading on this card, on this strategy. So what I can do is directly go and click on execute. And this, I mean, from the marketplace now I've directly jumped to portfolio on the left hand side, and this strategy is now added into my portfolio. Correct? During the market hours, you can click on start and the strategy will start. Obviously, let's say I don't want to trade on this instrument, which is Tata Motors. I want to change, I want to config, I want to tweak the parameters. So there's a config column here. You can click here and you can change the parameters as you like. Let's say I want to change the instrument, I can change it from here. Let's say I want to change the strategy parameters, I can do it from here. There are many other parameters that you can have a look at and you can change as per how you like it before clicking on start. So this is the tweak area where you can change everything. Uh, let's say that you have already started and stopped a strategy and you want to have a look at the logs. So since this account did not have any real trading strategies, I've just added this in front of you. Let me go to paper trading and backtesting. I have quite a few strategies added here on which paper trading was being run, backtesting was being run. Okay, so this is the backtesting tab, and I can have a look at the reports and logs, which are these two. Sorry, yeah. So these are the reports and logs which are shown over here. I can click on reports and I can have a look at the summary as well as the P&L table. This is the reports and the raw logs that were generated when the strategy was running. Those logs can also be seen here. You can scroll down and look at various times and timestamps where each buy or sell was done. You can also download the logs. While the strategy is running, you can click on refresh so that the logs are refreshed, and you can always scroll down to the end and see what are the positions, holdings, what has been purchased, what has been sold. You can have a look at this. So you can refresh while the strategy is running also, and you can download the logs at any time. Now, the same thing is given in paper trading also, where you can have a look at the reports and the logs. There's an additional tab here, which is combined results. Now, for back testing, you have various strategies, and you don't, I mean, let's say it's a hard time to look at all the reports, click on one button and look at all the reports. So combined results will give you the combined answer for all the back testing that you have been doing. Now, let's say there are a few among us who are new to trading and who would like some help regarding what these columns are and what do they mean. So what we have done is, here on the home page, there is a tab called as resources, where you can click and directly jump on the help docs. So this is the help doc and this is the website manual. And let's say you are on paper trading and back testing and you would like to have a look at all the columns and what do they mean. So this gives you a description of all the columns and what do they mean and how can you take advantage and inform decisions based on what is being shown here. So for any of the laymen among us who need some more help, the help doc is already ready and working.
Jimmy,
Yes.
the connection has been lost. Me,
No, I just reconnected it because of some issue. It was lost. Yeah. 1 second, just.
okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sorry.
yes, I can hear you now. There was some.
Yeah. As Yeah, I think the network was lost.
Yes. So I think so. For you can repeat the last 2 minutes part. I think so. People were not able to hear from 12:01. I think so.
Okay. So I was on the marketplace and we were looking at the different logs.
Mhm.
Was that part clear and audible?
Yes. Yes. You can continue. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys, I got disconnected for some reason. Um, we were looking at the different logs and the reports, and there was a point wherein there are some laymen among us who will need some more help and more description about what is being shown or what is being reported. So for that, you can always jump to the help site, which is here on the home page. And when you click on help, you will reach the help site, which has a description on and videos on almost everything that you'll need uh, to go ahead and trade. So as an example, I'm showing paper trading and backtesting here. These are the different fields and columns that you can see. This is the help site that we have made. Jimit also told you that we can create our own strategies also. So that is shown here on the GitHub page. We have two links here, which we can see. Just a second. Yeah. So these are the two links. One is the Pi Algo trading, and this is the Pi Algo strategy pool. So using the Pi Algo trading package, you can also code your own strategies. Using this package, you can code your own strategies. There is a complete tutorial given on this link over here. This tutorial will help you to create your own strategy, as well as we have our own pool of ready strategies. So this tutorial will help you to directly pick up a strategy, add it into your own AlgoBulls account, and perform the backtesting, paper trading, and real trading. So as Jimit said about the ecosystem where we are trying to capture, this is one side of that ecosystem where we are trying to capture enthusiasts and developers who want to code their own strategies and who want to add their strategies into the AlgoBulls account. So using Palgo trading and using this tutorial that we have, you can create your own, as well as you can add a ready-made strategy that we already have. So the GitHub page will also show you the pool of strategies, which is this one. Let that get loaded. This one, Palgo strategy pool. And from this pool, you can pick up any strategy that you would like. You can add it to your own account and you can try backtesting, paper trading, real trading using the PyPool package, which I just showed you. So this is about the developers and enthusiasts who would like to try their own. Yes. Okay. One last thing, the dashboard will show you a one glance, a one shot of your whole account. For example, the amount of money that you have into your account. This is the bar which shows you whether you have any back testing added, whether your real strategies are running during the market hours, whether your portfolio strategies are added, whether you have set the capital risk management things, and whether your binding of broker has been done. When you scroll below, you will also see the trading volume, the profit and loss, how your AlgoBull's money is being used, depending on what date range you set here, which can be this month, this year, this week, or whatever. So this page, this dashboard page, actually gives you a one-shot glance at what is going on in your account. In managed strategies, you can see the strategies that are added into your real trading, your paper trading, your back testing, and you can add or remove them as required from these three areas. So you can see here, the blue toggles that you see here, all these strategies have been added into portfolio, that is real trading. You can add them to back testing also. You can add them to paper trading also as required. So managed strategies will give you a glance at which strategies have been added into which of these three areas. And you can manage them from one place, which is here. We have reports. So we have the PNL book. The PNL book can be filtered as per the strategy that you have, as per the instrument that you want, or as per the date range that you have. And you can have a look at the PNL here. As I said earlier, for a description of what all this is telling you, you can head over to the help docs and have a look. We also have the trade book here. The trade book has similar filters. That is, you can filter by strategy, you can filter by instruments, and you can also give the date range, and it will show you the trades as per that. And finally, we have the fund book, which has different categories for of funds and the data range that you have. When you click here, you can see the different categories that are there, and you can filter as per that and have a look at how and where the money is going. Plans and wallet, the most important thing was for all our Zebu customers, where we have 30 days unlimited real trading. So you all guys can create an account today and start as soon as possible. That's it from my end, Jimit.
Yes. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, Jimit, please take over.
Yes. Thank you. Actually, I was not able to unmute it for some reason. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining. We had some questions coming in, but I have just reloaded. So can someone push the questions once again? Okay. I am able to see now. So do we have strategies in all segments? Yes, we have strategies in all segments. Uh, you know, can you please deploy one of your successful strategies? Currently, I think so. Today's market is not working, so we are not able to show the live trades. But yes, sir, we can show you the live deploy trades in the live market also to see how it is working. Is it mandatory? Someone is asking, is it mandatory to set those fields in risk management? Yes, it is mandatory to set it because we are once we go live, you can rely on it. But currently, the parameters are required. Yes. Someone is asking, is this platform similar to Tritron and Sensible? Sensible is more for options, you can say, and we are for all segments. Uh, and coming to Tritron, for Tritron, yes, we are similar to them, but you can find the inventories which are different. When I say inventory means it's the strategies which are different on the both the platforms. Someone has shared the number. Yes, our team will get back to you in those terms. Someone is asking, what is the pricing for algo bulls for retail traders? So it starts from 1,000 onwards, but for Zebu customers, it's currently we are offering a package which is free, which it's only for Zebu customers. It's not for all. So if you have a Zebu account, you can start it immediately. Its paper trading is free for 1 month only. Paper trading for market-based strategies, we have all the strategies which are in default paper trading mode. But if you come up with your own strategy, then you have to select the package. Otherwise, the market-based strategies are by default in paper trading mode, so you don't have to subscribe any paper trading subscription for it. Someone is asking a question. I'm a sub broker, so I'm interested in. So please share the contact number. Okay, we'll get back to you, sir. Definitely, you can contact our. You can register on our platform. Our team will definitely get in touch with you. So somebody is asking a question. What is the difference between Tradetron and we? Uh, you can use both the platform wherever you are comfortable in terms of services that we offer, or you can say in the strategies that we have. Difference wise, we have some selected strategies. We don't list strategies which are directly available on the who can come up and can come up and list the strategies. So our strategies are slightly more filter, you can say. Somebody asking which is best, Tradetron or Algo Bulls. I may not be the right person to answer because I am from Algo Bulls, so it's an obvious to be a biased for that. Someone is asking 1,000 per. I didn't get that question, so you can repeat that. Mr. Mohan Ji have asked some question. Uh, is there any limit for backtesting? Limit in terms of the data, you can say there is a limitation to it. Based on your requirement, we can answer you. You can register on our platform and we can get back to you on those terms. How much fund is required to initiate it? There is no fund requirement from our side. Whatever the minimum quantity has been traded, you require the funds. If your fund is not available, we'll push the trades and your broking account will reject the trades if the margins are not up to the mark. But yes, for the funds, you need to see how much money you need to invest to come up even for the break even. So even if you run on very small quantity, like two quantities, you are running on some equity scripts, you may end up losing money because uh, there are STT, there are brokerages. So you need to see, you need to calculate. We are coming up with that calculator also to help you. But currently, if you need some assistance, you can question us. Pricing, sir, I told you that it's a free for Zebu as of now. Mm, yes, it is running on cloud server. Uh, do we need to be on PC always? No, you do not need to be on PC. Someone has asked question before that. Do we have to click on per trade or whenever the trades are coming? It's fully automated. You do not have to click anything. Pricing for 1,000 is for rest of the players who do not have a Zebu account. You can start with that equity package. For existing customer of Zebu after 30 days, is it free or any fees? Is fees, what is the cost? There are various packages available. Current date is free. We may extend more than 30 days also. Minimum capital required for any strategies? Yes, there are. If you trade in futures options, contracts, like maybe on commodity, there is a fund requirement. Like if you're even trading on very minimal quantity, the margin required from your broking house, you need to understand that. Can I operate from tablet? Yes, definitely you can operate from tablet, Android. We have a mobile application also. You can download from Google Play Store. What is the minimum capital required for options? Sir, all the questions related to capital, sir, there is no requirement of the capital from the system side, maybe from AlgoBull side. Whatever capital is required, you need to calculate on two bases. One, what your broker is asking for minimum quantity to be traded or minimum lots to be traded. And second is you need to check whether if you're trading with minimum quantity, then and whatever capital you are investing it, will it make you profitable or no? Because there are charges to it, so you need to calculate. Given an example in SBI last 2 weeks, week algo trading. So we need to check what strategy are we talking about in SBI. Maybe some trends, some strategies may give results, some strategies may not give results, even though if it's trending or if it's not trending. Is there any fees for deploying my strategies by your developers? Yes, there are two charges. One is one-time development charges, and second is monthly recurring charges. Do you have a demo video for to the few customers? Yes, we have a demo video. We can share with this to you, or you can go to our YouTube website and you can check AlgoBulls. There are certain videos which are available. You may also see this video available over there. Yes, we are working on MCX segment, but you can see we have the best strategies which are in natural gas, in crude oil, or you can say natural gas. We have one of the good strategies. Do we have any material on Rob and pros and cons for various strategies? All the strategies which are listed on the marketplace are being filtered through us. So if you are running any strategies which are just one suggestion, like if you're running some strategies which are on commodity or maybe on futures, and if you're not running on minimal quantity, then you may trend out to lose money, because if you are not working with discount broker like Zebu or somewhere else, then you may turn out to lose money, because your every trade what you trade, there is an exponential cost to it. STT is an exponential cost. Is paper trading free? I have already answered, but I'll repeat it. Paper trading for marketplace is already by default in paper trading mode. Even though if you do not log in, you can see the paper trading for all the strategies. If you're coming up with your own strategy, you need to take the packages, because that paper trading is not publicly available. You need to run into your particular account. Is there any single set ratio for all segments, or for each is different? Currently, whatever strategies which we have listed on the marketplace, it is for particular instrument which has been traded. I will not say even a segment, but yes, you as a trader, you can change that into any instrument which you want to trade. It can be into different segment also, but whatever we have listed is the result based on that particular instrument which has been traded. Can we restrict the automated trading, say on volatile days? Yes, definitely, because you don't have to click the start button in the morning if you feel it's a volatile day, or if you even though if you have started it, you can click the stop button and you can come out. You just have to instruct your computers to get stopped. You can do it from your mobile application also. Someone is asking, how do we know which strategy is good? For an example, natural gas or indices options. So, see, there is no way to define whether strategy is good or bad. It's based on your fund size and risk. Suppose there is a strategy which is giving good returns. For one example, which is giving a good returns, like 80% returns, but your hit ratio is like 40%. Okay, and there are some strategies which might give you less returns, but their hit ratio is more than 40, or it can be say more than 70% also. So it's based on you as an individual how much risk you are willing to take. So there is no particular universal definition for a good strategy. If you can take more risk, you can go with those kind of strategies. If you want to take less risk, you want more hit ratio to come up, you can go with that kind of strategies. S- I have got some questions on another Q&A. Is it mandatory to set the field risk management is answered? Why PAN card and Aadhaar card needed, sir? It's a KYC, sir. Every any company will ask you for financial transaction. We need to know who is the customer. Uh, because if you have your broking account which is connected with your account, we need to see whether both the persons are same or not. That's the reason. What is the difference between your wallet and the fund with Zebu? Our fund which you are keeping in Zebu is for trading, from which you can purchase your instruments which is been traded. Our wallet money has been used for the fees that you pay to Algo Bulls. So if it's Zebu, it's free, but there are some premium strategies which you can pay. If you want to do backtesting and paper trading, only for few uh, iterations you want to do, and you want to purchase the entire package, you can load some money like 100, 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, and you can pay 1 rupees per minute for backtesting and 1 rupees per minute for paper trading, just if you want to check for few minutes. Then why you want to, so the for the customer it becomes easy. If your work is getting in 10 rupees, why you want to pay 3000 also? So that's why we have created that wallet, that you can load some money, you can use it whenever you want it for against the Algobull service. If you can pay on per transaction, you can pay it on per transaction rather than going on the full package. Any charges for Python strategies? Yes, if you want us to develop this based on your requirement, we can come up with what is an exact quotation for you. Do you have a demo video forward for new customers? Is answered. Can I manage multiple account using one account with AlgoPulse? Currently, every AlgoPulse account is mapped with one user account with one broking account. So if you want to, from one single account of AlgoPulse, if you want to operate multiple accounts, you need to take our partner panel, which is a different panel altogether. That is subject to, if you are a sub broker or a with some broking house or an authorized person, you can contact us to become a partner with us. We can help you with the how to go with it. What is the difference between your wallet and it's already answered? Do we need to click on start button on the strategy every day morning? Yes, you have to click the start button. That is a mandatory, which we think, because every customer needs to know what's happening in your account. So you need to give an authorization for it. Do we need to load money in Zebu or AlgoBulls? You need to load money into Zebu account for trading, not into AlgoBulls. That funds are kept with Zebu, your broker. AlgoBulls is just a service fees which we take like 1000 rupees onwards to 5000. Rest all your major fund which you are keeping is broking account. We are a service provider. We just get your account attached with the AlgoBulls to push the trades. Is someone is asking, is there any currency strategies? We are working on it. On the currency side, we may not have currently which are profitable, so we have not listed. How much charges is for listing a strategy in the marketplace? Currently, we're not charging it. If you can come up with your own strategy, you need to pass out the filtration that we have. We can help you to get in those things in place. You are not charged for it, but we will share you there's a revenue sharing model from our side to you. So you can contact us for that, and we can get back to you. You can write an email at support@algobulls.com, or you can register with us, and we can contact you. How it works for intraday and positional trading? Intraday, it will square off all the positions. For positional, it will your positions are open, but next day, every day morning, you have to click on start button on the strategy. It's a virtual Aadhaar card number enough, or need to upload an Aadhaar only? See, you can we have not connected with UID currently, where if you put an Aadhaar card number to verify whether it's yours or no. So for if you're not comfortable, sir, Srinivasi, you can drop an email to us. We can handle you on case-to-case basis for that. If you're not comfortable sharing your Aadhaar card details, I mean, to a copy of an Aadhaar card. So you can drop an email. We can see how our team can get in touch with you and can understand. Trying to add a documents and AlgoBulls account, but it's not uploading, having some error. Can you check? Yes, definitely, sir. We can check on this. How it works for intra? It's already answered. Can we create our own strategy similar to Tradetron in Algo Bulls your with without programming knowledge? Currently, no, we do not have any drag and drop system where you can create some strategies and you can just click on start and it will start executing it. We may come up with this, but currently we do not have that. You need to know a programming language or you need to outsource that to us and we will develop that strategy for you. You have a Zibo account. What is the next step? Uh, if I want to register on AlgoBulls, so you just register on AlgoBulls, connect your broking account, uh, apply for the free package, and you can start trading immediately. Is there any possibility for copy trading from profitable traders? Currently, we do not have that, sir. Can I operate from the tablet? Android based? Yes. Mhm. What is the speed of execution of entry of 100 scripts? Is it a scanner? Does it scan the strategy condition by one at the same time? So there are multiple questions. I'll answer one by one. Yes, we give scanner. The scanner conditions can scan based on your requirement. Whatever you want us to develop, we can develop that. What is the speed of an execution of an entry and exit for 100 scripts? Uh, Generally, sir, if you are scanning in every 1 minute OHLC, it is possible. But if you are asking us to scan every 1 second, this is a limitation from the regulatory side because it falls into HFT trading. If it's 1 minute, we can be able to do that. For 100 scripts, there is some limitation from the regulatory side that if you are doing some any kind of HFT activities, it may stop you. But if you're doing in 15 minutes interval, 100 script scanning is also possible. There is no barrier to it. What is a stop loss risk amount on option strategy? Do we have an auto square of 3 p.m.? So square off positions, you can select your own timings, where which time you want to square off it based on your broking account. If Zebu is asking you to square off it, they are squaring off at 320, then you can square it off at 315. Systems can square off at 315. What is the stop loss risk amount on option strategies? Uh, So there are two stop loss. One is on your strategy side and one is on the master side. So master side is a different thing. It's overall fund. On the strategy side, sir, based on your strategy, you can discuss with us. We can tell you how it works in the option strategy for your case. Any possibility for copy trading? We are working for it. Currently, you can say uh, we are working how to make it more streamlined. So it's still not live as a product, but we may come up in future soon. We have got some numbers to contact. We will definitely get in touch with you guys. Anything else there where we can help you with? Any more questions? Someone has asked a question. Is the strategy based on 10 minutes chart? The lowest is 1 minute OHLC. That is 1 minute chart. Below that, I think so you require an approval from the regulatory because it falls into HFT segments. This works in MCX Booleans. For Boolean side, I need to check with it, but sir, you can drop a message to us. We can get back to you. Mostly yes, but we need to check it whether the instruments are allowed to trade for the these guys. If it's allowed, we are allowed to do that. Any other questions? Yes, you can get the recording. You can see how it works, or you can drop and you can register on a platform. Our team will definitely get in touch with you. Any other questions, guys? Is there any possibility Any limit on take calls? There is no limitation on take calls, but it should not be an HFT activities. Otherwise, per minute is something you can say the lowest side. But if you're going more than that, we can scan PNL on per second, but we cannot take calls on per second because that falls into HFT. Does the capital required info mentioned on the strategy page in- includes any buffer? Uh, yes, we have include some buffers for it. It's not a big buffer also. Somebody asking for charges. For Zibu account, it's free as of now. You can start. You can do it. For rest of them, it's paid service. You can open an account with Zibu and you can start immediately. So offer validity is for limited period. So currently we have opened it. So if you subscribe today, from now it will 30 days. It will be free. Post that you can see on our website whether it is available or no. But currently it is there. You can see it. Yeah. Yeah. So Karthik, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you to entire Zebu team. Thank you to entire customer base who have joined us today. Uh, and so it was a pleasure meeting, talking to everyone on this discussion today. We can address. We have someone has few of them has shared their number. We'll get back to them. And for rest of them, if you have any questions, once you are registered on the platform, you will get a call from us. Thank you, Karthik ji, for your precious time today, and to the entire Zebu team.
Thank you. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, Nikhil ji.
Yeah. Thank you, Akhil.